get your face too.
You clean it.
Oh, that's nice, Bongo, isn't it?
Nice, neat, doesn't it? Oh, look at it. He's showing like it.
He likes it underneath his wings. That's where I tickle him. In corners.
Come on, Daddy, play it. Play it. No, I'm not playing with the wings. Oh. It's the first time he's let me do this to him. Isn't it? It's the first time he's let me do this.
Because you're chilling and you're not like mothering him, you're just giving him a bit of space and letting
It's
him
because
come
he
to
saw
you.
me before and all waving to him.
Oh, he's a bonny lad. See, you look Chloe, you just, she mothers so much sometimes. Oh, you're enjoying
It's
that,
too
aren't
noisy,
you?
aren't I?
Oh, look at that.
Just too noisy, aren't I? Yeah.
He's a bonny lad, Bongo. Oh, yes. You pausing?
I'd love to see Bongo and Chalky get together, but it wouldn't end well, I don't think. He's got such beautiful feathers, the way they're all laid on top of each other in a size order. Oh, I love your feathers, don't I? You should have seen him. It's because of these bits in his cage. He's been poking his head out and I've been stroking it for him.
You're having a preen.
That way he can't bite me.
Having a nice preen there. Oh, yeah, aren't you?
I was lucky. It's just mummy. It's just mummy, yeah. I'm not going to get you a kiss yet because I don't trust you that much. I think every animal now is starting to love me. I think I'm growing up a bit more. He likes me now, don't you? Yeah, you like me now, don't you? Oh, he loves that. Oh, he's getting loose feathers. He's getting some loose feathers.
He's a bonny boy.
He's pausing for you. Should I put that wing up for shots? Come on there. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? He's beautiful. I think every animal responds well to being told they're beautiful. And up my world like nobody else. The way that you spread your feathers get me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. You saw what I could see. You'd understand why everyone was over you. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? He's
Bye,
so
Bongo.
beautiful.
Say bye-bye, Bongo.
Bye-bye. No, no.